will not be required to enter bars, restaurants, cultural events and some other establishments. The executive had initially planned on extending their use, but pulled a U-turn late last night. This is Catalan News in 100 seconds. The updated pandemic restrictions coming into force on Friday do not include the use of COVID passports in establishments, as authorities viewed their effectiveness reduced due to Omicron. Also being lifted are the capacity limits on restaurants, cultural venues, gyms and religious ceremonies, as well as the 10-person cap on social gatherings. COVID booster shot appointments are now available to all over 18s. Like everyone else, young adults willing to get the booster have to wait at least 5 months after their previous dose, or 3 if they previously got AstraZeneca or Janssen. Unemployment in Catalonia dropped for a 4th consecutive quarter in the final months of 2021. The jobless rate in December stood at just over 10%, with the fewest unemployed workers in Catalonia since Q3 of 2008.
Que el 2021 ha estat l'any de la recuperació, de la superació de la crisi provocada per la situació de la Covid i que encarem un 2022 amb bones bases.
Foreign Affairs Minister Victoria Alsina met with the European Cohesion and Reforms Head today to discuss territorial cooperation. This was the first meeting between a member of the Catalan government and an EU commissioner since before the 2017 independence push.
Pel govern de Catalunya, la meva reunió d'avui amb la comissària Ferreira trenca una tendència i m'agradaria pensar que serà un punt d'inflexió.
Where a waterfall along a nature trail in northern Catalonia has completely frozen over. We leave you today with some spectacular scenes from Camp de Banol, where a waterfall along a nature trail in northern Catalonia has completely frozen.